Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna see how we enable AutoClean and what does AutoClean do. Firstly, use .help AutoClean to know more about it. If at any instance you forget about other commands in AutoClean, then you may use this command to know about them. Now type .autoclean and then so it will tell us for which customs AutoClean is enabled or disabled. For in this case AutoClean is disabled for each and every custom. So now we're gonna see how we enable AutoClean for a specific custom, for one specific custom. So we have to do is .ac. AC is an alias which makes the command shorter. So type .ac and then custom number and then type on. It will enable it for that specific custom which you have mentioned. So let's show and see if it worked. Yes, it worked. See, custom 1 AutoClean is enabled for it. Now if we want to enable it for each and every custom, we will type .ac and instead of custom number we will type all. So it will enable it for each and every custom. Just the same we will do for to disable it. We will type .ac custom number specific for a specific custom. We'll type the custom number and then off. See, disabled for custom 2. And if we want to do it for each and every custom, then we'll do the same .ac all and instead of on we will type off. So here it disabled for each and every custom. Let me tell you more about it in details about what does AutoClean do. So here in config you set up registration channel and ID pass role. So bot will clear messages, registration messages which are unpinned messages from the registration channel, and it will remove the ID pass rule which you have set in setup menu. It will ignore the message which you have pinned. So when when the AutoClean is triggered, it won't delete that message. And if any of your custom is not set up and you enable AutoClean for it, no issue, it won't work as no channel is mentioned or role is mentioned here, so it won't be triggered. And AutoClean will be triggered every day at 4 a.m. IST. There will be much more updates and we will try to make it much better, but currently it will be triggered at 4 a.m. IST daily. So if you customs are weekly or after 2 days 3 days, then you can use these commands which I'm gonna show now. You may use .purge and then the number of messages you want to delete. It will ignore the pinned messages, so no issue if you are using it instead of AutoClean. And for removing roles you may use .rm and then you have to mention the role. This is an alternative for AutoClean, but you have to do it manually every day, and AutoClean will be done automatically every day. You just have to enable it once. So for 29 members it will take 29 minutes to remove. And if you want to use this command to remove from a specific member, then you may use the same command .rm and then mention the role, and then you may mention the user or users with a space in between them, just like I'm doing here. If I mention someone else too, the role will remove from them too. So here we come to end of this video. Be back with such more videos. Bye bye.